Don't get scammed by fake invoices. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and today I'm going to talk about a very popular trademark scam. Now, after you apply to register your trademark, you may start getting fake scam invoices in the mail. Do not fall for this. Well, Angela, how do I know that they're a scam? Well, if it's from these people, WTP, right? And it says, it looks very official, right? It's got account numbers on it and application dates and maybe even your trademark. It's fake. Don't fall for it. Unless the invoice comes from your trademark attorney or from the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, it is fake, phony, and false, and you should not pay it. If you have any doubts about the legitimacy of anything that you receive in the mail regarding your trademark application or your trademark renewal, contact your trademark attorney because he or she will be docketing the renewal dates and all of the other important dates, and they will know whether or not the trademark invoice is a fake. Now, when I file trademark applications on behalf of my clients, I pay the fees at the time of filing. When the renewal comes due, I notify them and pay all the fees on their behalf. There aren't any other fees due. So if you get anything in the mail that looks like this, don't pay it. It's a scam. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net, and you can also just search Trademark Doctor and you will find me everywhere. I'm everywhere.